Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today we did a model of the soil reinforced with the geosynthetic here. See, let me remove the soil. Here we have the geosynthetic here as the reinforcement of the soil wall here, and we did consider two analyses here. The first analysis, we use the static approach to uh, apply each layer of the geosynthetic in the soil, and in the second model we consider the earthquake or seismic loading over this soil. If I click here, you can see the seismic loading here, and this is the yield ACL, and you can see the deformation of the soil. Let me make it feature edge or exterior edge. Fill, it is better. And we can use also ODB extrude element, for instance 1, to see 3D model. This is the earthquake load, and we can check anything. For instance, now the plastic strain. Let me replace just the soil first. Check the stress. We consider geosynthetic here as a reinforcement for the right side of the soil wall here. We consider 26 as a time for the earthquake load. Now we can consider acceleration, see, plastic strain, here, displacement. Now let me replace all, remove this, the geosynthetics, see here, the stress. We can also consider this as the render beam profile to check it in 3D view. See here, this is the 3D view and this is the final frame. Now replace all. You can check also other results, for instance from the ODB field output, unique nodal acceleration 1. Select a point here, then plot it. For instance, this is the seismic loading here. This is the acceleration at that point or any other point, a stress, a strain, anything else you can get from this model. So you will have two things. The first, modeling a static approach of the applying geosynthetic in the soil. In the second model, the seismic loading analysis of the soil reinforced with geosynthetic. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website here, abaqusfm.com, here, abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial. Here, this is the English tutorial. Click on the title or blue sign. Then you will have the geometry, assembly, a step material interaction load, and then the result as figures you can see here. The cost for both models contain CAINP paper reference English video file is 26 euros. We use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. We have also Abaqus full package. Really, it is a full package and you can find it anywhere, and we will support it anytime if you need help, containing more than 400 tutorials. You can see here the main titles. Inside this main title there are a lot subtitles here. For instance, explosion for all method, CEL method, SPH method, acoustic, convex, Lagrangian, for all the material that we know, high and low velocity impact for all materials, welding all types, like the arc welding, like the resistance welding, fusion welding, anything, biomechanics, forming cracked soil, anything. So you can check it here. The cost of this full package, containing all our English tutorials, is 230 euros. And by using this package, you will be a master in modeling and simulation in everything in Abaqus. So, if you are interested to this full package, contact me to this email to tell you again about the purchasing process and the content of the package or anything that you need to know. Thank you for your attention.